नमस्कार, आर के त्यागी, गाजियाबाद, एनसीआर, दिल्ली। आइए वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब अवश्य करें। ईटी मुंबई ने 26 सितंबर को एक आर्टिकल छापा है, तो ये मैं आपको बता देता हूँ। इसमें टू रिन्यू और नोट द हेल्थ स्कीम हैज़ लिमिटेशंस वाइल प्राइवेट प्लान्स हैव लिमिटेड स्कोप, रिटेन कॉस्टली हेल्थ पॉलिसी और यूज PMJY कवरेज, सीनियर्स हैव ए टफ चॉइस। ये बता रहे हैं इंश्योरेंस के ऊपर ही। रिजॉल्विंग ए डिलेमा, हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम्स फॉर सीनियर्स हैव सीन ए स्टेडी राइज। द गवर्नमेंट हैज एक्सटेंडेड PMJY टू सीनियर्स ओवर 70 रिगार्ड्स लेस ऑफ इनकम विद कवरेज ऑफ 5 लाख पर फैमिली। और हालांकि इसमें ये भी है कि लोग बागों की रिपोर्ट ये है, अभी पंजाब का भी आया कि उन्होंने गवर्नमेंट ने पैसे नहीं दिए और उन्होंने सारे हॉस्पिटल की एसोसिएशन ने कह दिया हम PMJY में इसको जो है आयुष्मान भारत में कोई इलाज नहीं करेंगे। और ऐसे ही हरियाणा में पहले हुआ था, और ऐसे ही यूपी के कुछ डॉक्टर्स बताते हैं हमारे पैसे पेंडिंग पड़े, हम कह देते हैं हमारे पास जो है बेड नहीं है, हम इलाज नहीं कर पाएंगे। तो इसमें इलाज की भी डिस्क्रिपेंसी है। द फ्री कवरेज हैज़ limitation in the hospital network and treatment options. Private hospitals are known to prefer private policy holders due to delays in getting reimbursement under PMJAY। ये देखो, ये कह रहा है ET, ये जो मैं अभी बात कर रहा था, इकोनॉमिक टाइम्स ने ये बता दी है। आइए इसको पढ़ते हैं आर्टिकल। मुंबई, when SK Saha, a 70-year-old retiree, got an alert that his health insurance policy was due for renewal this month. He grappled with a common dilemma. Should he continue paying 73,000 for 2.75 lakh cover or instead rely on the government आयुष्मान भारत प्रधानमंत्री जन आरोग्य योजना ABPMJAY, which is now extended to all senior citizens over 70 and others for 5 lakh of free coverage per family. It is a question that is increasing, troubling senior citizens across India as private health insurance premiums soar and government schemes promise substantially coverage, albeit with limitations. The ABPMJY now covers all senior citizens over 70 regardless of income. The move is expected to benefit about 60 million senior citizens and 45 million families. Enrollment for the scheme is likely to begin soon for main elderly individuals like this 70-year-old retiree paying 75,000 annually for modest sum assured the cost of maintaining private health insurance is becoming burdensome, said Mahavir Chopra of Bank Basic Organization, an insurance broking platform with no income. A premium is this size is significant financial burden strain. At the same time, the government PMJAY scheme offers an alternative with 5 lakh in free coverage. However, they are caught between a rock and a hard place. While private insurance covers a wider range of hospitals, including leading chains such as Apollo, Max, Medanta, which most people prefer, PMJAY limits patients to empaneled hospitals, mostly public health care facilities. People buying in insurance have reservations about the quality of care and the availability of the advanced treatment in the public health care system. There are 29,000 empaneled hospitals under the government schemes, which includes 12,625 private hospitals as of June. Some private hospitals, despite being empaneled under the PMJAY network, prioritize patients outside of the government schemes and have been instances where PMJAY patients receive limited treatment options. One such case involved a knee replacement surgery where the hospital agreed to treat only one knee at the time under the PMJAY despite medical advice that suggested doing both knees simultaneously, said Mr. Chopra. Besides, hospitals empaneled under the scheme also face delays in receiving the payments from the government, sometimes up to 60 days. This creates a situation where private hospitals prefer clients with private insurance who can pay immediately rather than wait for delayed reimbursement under the government schemes. So, seniors covered under PMJAY could face difficulties getting the proper care in private hospitals. At the same time, general and health insurance insurers such as Star Health, Niva, Bupa and HDFC, Ergo, New India Assurance and United India have raised health insurance premium rates by up to 50%, 50% बढ़ा दिए इन लोगों ने. ये भी डकैती कर रहे हैं एक तरह से. Health insurance experts said that PMJAY's execution improves in the coming years. More senior might want to drop their private insurance policy if the government scheme can offer faster reimbursement and better hospital options. If the government can expand the network of private hospitals under PMJAY, could offer a viable alternative to private insurance, said Sagar Sampath Kumar, Director of General Insurance Council. In the meantime, many seniors could be hesitant to rely solely on the government schemes, preferring the security of private sector go despite the higher costs. तो ये उसके ऊपर ये देखो इन्होंने कितना बढ़िया विश्लेषण दिया है. ये 26/9/2024 का है विश्लेषण और ये उसका है क्या कहते हैं इसको ET इकोनॉमिक टाइम्स ने दिया है. धन्यवाद साथियों. भारत माता की जय. वंदे मातरम.